Hey, what's up everybody? It's Stacey Storino. Welcome back to my channel, the #1 place for entrepreneurs who want their content marketing to convert content consumers into paying customers. Are you a more mature entrepreneur who's stuck on how to use TikTok to grow your business? Planning out content and really getting clear and concrete as to what content it is and why you're creating it, especially on TikTok, will definitely help you master conceptually how to create short form video content that actually can give you both the micro conversions you need to succeed as well as the macro conversions like sales too. You can't continue to sleep on short form video content marketing. It's here to stay, the people love it, and so do the social media platforms, including TikTok. So never fear, because I'm going to show you how to plan content for TikTok. But before I forget, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to get real world help that entrepreneurs like you need to succeed with content marketing that drives traffic to your business so that you can do more business. If you missed my recent video, 60-second video script, you're going to want to watch that video after you've watched this one because it will help you make the most of short form video content scripting, or at least planning. And the good news is that as this video is shot live, TikTok has been rolling out the ability for its content creators to create short form videos up to 3 minutes in length, not just 60 seconds in length. So if you don't have that option available to you yet, odds are you soon will, and you can use my recent video to help you make the most of every precious second. If you have the 3-minute option available, you can still use the 60-second video script's advice, but obviously you can spread things out a little more luxuriously over the different facets of all that you've got to cover before, say, your 3 minutes total to record content is up. And honestly, if you're like, what right do you have to give me advice on TikTok, lady? Well, my family's business, Joe's Dairy Bar and Grill, has surpassed 500,000 followers or fans on TikTok recently, and we're growing at a rapacious rate. We've got millions upon millions of views, and we have some serious influencers duetting with our content. So yeah, I've got some proof and some more advice to give you in my video, how to get 500K followers on TikTok. Anyway, let's get down to it. This is how to plan content for TikTok. Daily videos is the goal. Now, you're a busy adult entrepreneur. You have a business to run, a life to lead, even maybe a family to take care of. Seriously, if you skip a day here and there, will your account plummet and die? No. But while you can get the best algorithmic reach, while, yes, even today there's way fewer content creators than there are content consumers on the TikTok platform, you should go for it. You can get traction now on TikTok that I'm sure you wish you could have on other platforms today. But it won't always be like that. So I'm telling you, you need to get with the program before your potential for excellent reach begins to be sunset or reduced on the platform algorithmically. The algorithms push out or suggest your content, especially on platforms like TikTok. So if you wish your brand could have supersonic reach and awareness, you can get it. But daily to near daily content on TikTok is one way to get there, while you still can without going too crazy. And if you're like, Stacey, daily to near daily is crazy, it's not. We're talking about, for some people watching this, up to 3 minutes max of a video that you can create. And for the rest of you, you're still capped at a minute. Like, way more than a minute already elapsed in this video. 60 seconds breezes by. There's also not a million special effects or options for you once your video is in the creator studio there on TikTok and you're editing it, or at least adding a piece of music or sound effect to give your videos some pizzazz. And you don't have to dance, sing, or lip sync to do well on this platform. Then what videos can you create as you're planning your content for TikTok? Let's talk about content buckets or video themes that can help you assign a piece of content a day, ideally, to record, tweak, and then publish to TikTok, shall we? Plan your video themes. So you don't have to follow this to a T, but this is what I would do if for any reason you're stuck on what to create for your daily to near daily TikTok videos that can help raise awareness about what your business is, who it serves, how it serves those ideal customers, and more. At Joe's Dairy Bar and Grill, we often just do in the flow of business kind of videos, and foodies across the globe are gobbling it up to the tune of over 12 million views and counting. So definitely go with that sort of thing wherever you can. There may be challenges or trends that actually do work perfectly well for your business, so you can definitely plan out content to create for that. And warning, if there's a challenge or something blowing up hot, I'd create a TikTok video right away, no longer than one day out, or the challenge or trend might be stale and you've missed your opportunity for supersonic reach. No worries, there's likely another trend or challenge around the corner you can jump on too. But if you're otherwise still stumped as to the types of video content that you can create to cover your daily TikTok base, here's my recommendation for daily video themes. You could assign a theme to a day of the week if it helps, so here goes. Maker Monday, Tip Tuesday, Win Wednesday, Throwback or Tool Thursday, Fun Friday, Sinful Saturday, and Soul Sunday. If your ideal customer is predominantly, say, Christian or Catholic, then keep it Soul Sunday at the end of the week. If your ideal customer is predominantly Jewish, for example, you might want to flip things so that you've got Soul Saturday and Sinful Sunday. Keep things customer-centric first, foremost, and always as an entrepreneur. So for Maker Monday content, shoot a quick video showing how your business is run, how a product is made, how your services are rendered, whatever, and there you go. People love how it's made kind of content. We have plenty of that going on when it comes to the Joe's Dairy Bar and Grill TikTok account, but people love to see how jewelry is made or how a closet is transformed or whatever. What you think is boring, someone else thinks is great because it's unique or interesting to them. Don't prejudge. These sorts of TikTok videos have done well for many of my students, regardless of their business model. I promise you. Tip Tuesday is all about sharing a quick tip, trick, or technique that would help your ideal customer solve the main problem or satisfy the main desire that would serve as what I call the intersecting interest that would connect a person like them to a business like yours. Tip Tuesday is a way that you can talk shop with your clientele through your video without being salesy, even if the solution you're showcasing, let's say, stars your products. People will look at the product, say, wow, and then ask you questions behind the scenes or in the messages about it, and those questions will often lead to sales. Again, many of my students, much to their shock and joy, have shared this with me. Yup, Win Wednesday can share a way that people can score a win with your product, or share a quick testimonial, or at least share some user-generated content from one of your prior customers or clients. All you have to do is ask, agree to credit their TikTok account, and voila, you're getting a 60-second or maybe nowadays up to 3-minute piece of content that's largely been created for you. Throwback Thursday could be all about you showing video from your business back into the day, a before and after kind of transformation from a client or customer, or you could, depending upon your business model and content, have Tool Thursday, where you discuss tools you use to create products, tools that you recommend that go well with your services, that sort of thing. Fun Friday, you could be a goofball, dance and sing if you want. You could tell a joke or share something funny. You can show footage of an epic fail and laugh. People will happily laugh with you. Sinful Saturday, what can your ideal customer do, perhaps starring your products, to enjoy themselves, have a decadent, sinful time? How can they sinfully satisfy their desires with your products or thanks to your services? Soulful Sunday, if your ideal customer is at all religious or spiritual, you can create content that speaks to that. Even if your business isn't directly showcased or your products or services, it's still good to show people that you're a person, that your spiritual life and or religious life matters to you, that your ideal customers' beliefs matter to you. However, this particular type of video theme fits and or resonates with your business and your ideal customers, that's what drives this type of content. Why do this? Because KLT brings the money, baby. I often talk about the know, like, and trust factor when it comes to relationship marketing and sales-based marketing both. Most people, once they become aware of your business, won't automatically buy or ask you questions. I mean, some may, but most won't. And that's normal, as any marketing and sales funnel graphic would show you, including any of mine. Lots of people become aware of your business through properly optimized content marketing, but it takes a lot of traffic to get enough people to enter the mouth of your funnel, if you will, to drop down to the point where they're following you on social, they're opting into your email list for your coupon to save money off their first purchase or your freebie, and they're finally taking action to buy your products and or services. So you want to plan for and create all sorts of content that definitely have your products and services and your business overall as a common theme, but is way more about your customers, their problems, their desires, and their life, and not a direct sales announcement. Because on TikTok, at least right now, that's not the content that tends to be successful. But if you build up a community on TikTok, with every video you publish, they see more of you, your products, your services, your tips, your tricks, your techniques, your fun side, your business side. They get to know, like, and trust you. Every video is a deposit into the bank of KLT. So sooner or later, you wind and dine that audience with 60-second to 3-minute videos that show off so many facets of you, and then the intersecting interest that brought them to you. And for such short form content, you can gain longer and stronger success in terms of business conversions. Most importantly, sales, of course. There you have it. This is my advice when it comes to the topic of how to plan content for TikTok. Need more help? Be sure to check out these 2 awesome videos too, because they'll teach you great content marketing strategies that can also help to blow up your business. Enjoy.